Hello there. Today we're going to have a very quick look at the Cook's Essentials High Performance Kitchenware range, and it's an air fryer. It's 1.8 litres and we're going to see what's inside the box. This was purchased from a well-known shopping channel. Here we are. This is what's in the box. It's got a temperature control, as you can see here, and what looks like a clockwork type timer here. According to the instructions, this is all dishwasher proof. And if we have a close look inside, oh, there we are. You can see a heating element directly above where the unit goes. This one was bought in the UK, so it's got a UK plug. If you would like us to come back with some results of what we've tried to cook in it, please click the like button. Today we're going to have a very quick look at Hello there. Today we're going to have a very quick look at the Cook's Essentials 1.8 litre air fryer. Well, start again.